Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Anthony and this is my little sister
Nikita.
Today we'll be filming My Little Sister Does My Makeup. So let's get started with the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer.
Where is that going?
Put that all over my face.
Even your eyes?
Yeah. Face Born This Way foundation. So put dots all over my face. So dip your finger in. To blend it all together.
Like
With a
rub
sponge.
it or dot
No,
it?
dot it. Rewind concealer.
Where is it going?
So this goes, you draw a triangle underneath my eye,
Upside down or up?
upside down.
And
then-
on your forehead?
So on my forehead you do a little triangle in the middle of my forehead.
Like upside down?
Yeah, upside down.
Do I color
And then
it
you
in?
do one of my, yeah, and colour it in. Oh.
This is fun, guys.
I'm glad you're enjoying. Match
Put that down.
loose powder. You need the sponge again. Okay, so you have to go like this. And you have to dab the powder all under my eyes.
Everywhere under your eyes, just under your eyes.
Like that? Yeah, that's enough. I'll put some more. So put some more for yeah. And do it on the other side. On this side. Yeah. And then we'll blend it in later. Okay? And we're going to be setting the rest of my face. And we're going to be using the Real Technique powder brush.
Where does this go?
All over my face. That's enough. That's enough. Stratless Cosmetics eyebrow brush, and we're going to be using the dark brown wax that's in it.
Does it go on your eyebrows?
So yeah, you just copy the lines. So is that no? Use your good hand, your writing hand. Is that your writing hand? Do you write with this hand?
That's left. No, this.
So yeah,
this,
so
this
yeah,
hand.
and so just fill in the gaps. No, so start from here down. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Yep, that's some blocky eyebrows. So I think the brows are done. I think we have to do a little bit of correcting. So let's put the brush down. And do you want some more? Wait, let me. The brows are getting a little bit better. From Sia.
I've done this before, me.
Okay.
Can't really see it.
Yeah, no. You're not meant to see it.
Is it this color?
So next we're going to be dipping into the shades Skinny Dip and Unconditional, which are the top two brown shades. And we're going to be putting this shade in the crease. So this goes all over.
Just like that.
Just keep going. You keep blending it across.
Is
Yeah,
it
you go. Go more. Come on, boo. Okay, there you go. Yep, lead. Go up. Oh, ow. Stay matte bronzer.
Look, there's pink right there, Andrea.
That's okay.
I don't really care if it gets dirty.
So that's that. And then you're gonna put this here.
Just like lines.
Mm-hmm.
Might cover up the mistake I did.
Is it covering up all your mistakes?
Maybe. I think mistakes on the other side.
Master Chrome highlight in the shade 100.
100. That's a big number. But not as big as 1,000.
Okay, I want you to set my face first. But we're going to set my face before the highlighter, we're going to be using the Mario Badescu Rose Water.
Where do I put that?
All over my face, but stand far back. And spray.
Close your eyes.
Push harder.
Is it meant to come
Push harder.
I'm dusting.
Oh, look at the highlight. And we're going to be using the Tarte blush in the shade Partey, which is this shade here. I'm going to be using the same powder brush. And then you have to do it just on the cheeks.
I know how to do blushes. I even do it with my eyeshadow. Or blush.
Oh, that's very pink.
Go like this. It's not coming on.
Yes, it is.
It's not. Try and get all the foundation.
So that's it for the video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys also subscribe and click the notification bell down the corner. See you guys in the next one.
Bye.